February home maintenance tips. Hello, my name is jamiehowesre, and I am a real estate agent with United Real Estate Properties here in Lane County, Oregon. And like last month and the month before, like clockwork, I have home maintenance tips for you for the month of February. So let's get to it. Spiff up the paint is number one. Freshen indoor paint on walls, cabinets, doors, and trim. Sometimes a once-over with a magic eraser sponge will remove marks and smudges, reducing the need for a paint job. If that won't cut it, and you need to paint indoors in February, stir a tablespoon of clear vanilla extract into the paint can to make the smell less nauseous. And if you have trouble removing painter's tape from furniture or walls, heat it briefly with a hairdryer. Number 2. Give the laundry room a redo. Clean and reorganize your laundry room so it's roomier and more efficient. Scrape dried on laundry detergent from ridges in your washer. Replace damaged sorting bins. Throw away laundry products you never use, and store the rest in out-of-reach places to protect young ones. Number 3. Clean out dryer vents. Clean the duct that connects the back of your dryer to outside vents. If you don't, lint and other debris could decrease your dryer's efficiency, increase energy bills, and even cause fires. Also, make sure birds and other animals haven't made a home in your warm and toasty vent. Number 4. Clean refrigerator coils. To keep your refrigerator in tip-top shape and save energy, clean the refrigerator condenser coils located in the back or on the bottom of the appliance. Number 5. Clean and maintain your sump pump. Clean out your sump pump pit and make sure the sump pump is working in February to prepare for the increase in groundwater that spring rains will cause. Number 6. Give your mattress some love. Vacuum box springs and the mattress top and bottom. Rotate or flip the mattress. And if you have a one-sided mattress, one side is padded, the other side isn't, don't bother flipping. Just rotate it to provide even aging. Number 7. Look for leaks. Inspect your roof for missing shingles and damaged vent boots. And check your foundations for cracks that can cause big problems when spring rains pour on your home. And that's it for February. I appreciate you watching, and if you would like to see future maintenance videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we post new videos every Monday and Friday. See you next time.